お茶や牛乳やコーヒーを飲みます。Welcome and good morning. My name is Dice and I am your host for today's lesson with YS Online. Coming to you live from sunny Quezon City, the Philippines. Well, that's not really live, but you know what I mean. If you're new to this channel, have a look at our other videos and subscribe para ma-notify tayo pag lumalabas ang mga bagong video natin. Para sana makaprepare tayo for our JLPT and JFT exams in Japanese. So, nakapag-inom na ba tayo ng kape natin?
Are you ready to learn Japanese in Tagalog?
Let's go! In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the particle ya. Si ya ay ginagamit siya kapag may gusto tayong ipakilala at ilan sa mga madaming bagay. So, ya is used when only a few, maybe 2 or more, representative items are enumerated. So, ya equals representative items renumerated. In English, ang ya natin ay parang, for example, dinadagdagan natin siya ng nado sa huli para ipaliwanag na hindi siya lahat ng mga examples. So, yung nado natin ay parang magiging among others sa English. Sa madaling salita, ginagamit natin si ya kapag magbabanggit tayo ng iilang item at idinudugtong si nado or at iba pa sa Tagalog para masabi na meron pang mga item na hindi pa binabanggit. Confusing? Hindi naman. Let's take a look at some examples. Tingnan natin yung mesa natin dito. So, ano yung mga nakikita natin sa mesa? So, nakikita natin may lapis, may gunting, marker, notebook, at iba pa, di ba? Sorry po, medyo messy. Alright, let's try to make a sentence using ya. So, let's say, sasabihin natin na merong lapis, gunting, at iba pa. In Japanese, that would be enpitsu ya hasami nado ga arimasu. Then, enpitsu ya hasami nado ga arimasu. There is a pencil, a pair of scissors, etc. Kung gusto natin dugtungan, dagdagan lang natin ng ya. Ganito siya. Let's say, merong lapis, gunting, notebook, at iba pa. Magiging enpitsu ya hasami ya noto nado ga arimasu. So, when we use nado, may mga items pa tayo na hindi pa natin binabanggit, pero understood na rin na hindi siya binabanggit sa ating listener. What if gusto natin ipaliwanag ang location ng mga object natin? Ganito na ang magiging sentence natin. So here, nasa ibabaw ng table yung mga gamit natin, di ba? So that's tsukue no ue ni. Anong meron sa table? Tsukue no ue ni enpitsu ya hasami nado ga arimasu. Maaring napapaisip na din tayo na parang may similarity si particle ya at si particle to. Well, magkahuwig kung sa magkahuwig siya. Particle to and ya, depending on the context, can both translate roughly to the word and. Well, magkahawig siya kung sa magkahawig. Particle to and ya, depending on the context, can both translate roughly to the word and. In addition to the translation and, pwede din siyang maging parang comma pag maglilista tayo ng bagay. But particle to is the most direct way to say and. For example, ocha to gyunyu to kohi o nomimasu. I drink tea and milk and coffee. Sa English, di ba, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin ang and ng paulit-ulit. Pero sa Japanese, pwede siyang gamitin using ang ating to. Ya is very much the same as to, but the meaning is just a little bit different. ya doesn't just limit yourself to the items that you are actually listing. It actually translates to something like things such as, and almost saying among other things. For example, inu ya neko ga suki desu. Among other animals, I like dogs and cats. So, with ya, napaliwanag natin na hindi lang aso at pusa ang gusto ko. I also like pandas too. Alright, so challenge for you guys watching at home naman. Give me your best sentences using the particles to and ya. Isulat natin ang mga sagot natin sa comment section below. Excited akong makakita ng mga answers ninyo. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you very much for watching as always. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel below para alam ninyo every time na may lumalabas kaming mga bagong videos. For YSNLC, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne!